In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, taking you through a comprehensive tutorial from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner trying to grasp the basics or looking to refine your organizational skills, this guide has got you covered. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to calendar.google.com. Here, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which is your command center for managing all your events and schedules. Now let's dive into adding an event, which is one of the fundamental features of Google Calendar. You'll need to decide on the view you prefer, day, week, or month. This selection will help you pinpoint the exact date for your event. Once you've made your choice, find the specific time slot you want to use. With just a click on that slot, you'll open a new event window where the magic happens. The first element you'll want to fill out is the title of your event. A clear and concise title will help you identify your event at a glance later on. After naming your event, you'll likely need to adjust the time. Google Calendar offers flexibility, allowing you to modify the start and end times so they accurately reflect your schedule. Once your time is set, you can delve into the details. This section is crucial for adding any information you might find relevant, such as location details, a descriptive note about the meeting, or any additional context that would be useful. Details can be key in providing clarity and ensuring everything runs smoothly. After checking all your inputs, it's time to save your work. Simply hitting save locks in all your efforts, marking your event officially in your calendar. It's a straightforward step, but one that ensures all your planning stays intact. Next, if you're looking to create a new calendar dedicated to specific themes, projects, or personal ventures, there's an easy way to do that too. On the left side of the calendar interface under Other Calendars, you'll see an option to add other calendars. Click on this to initiate the process of creating a new calendar. You'll be guided to space where you can name and describe this new calendar. A descriptive name and an optional summary can help differentiate this calendar from others, ensuring each one maintains its unique purpose. Once everything is in place, simply click Create Calendar to finalize your new addition. And there you have it, a streamlined journey through Google Calendar's essential features, empowering you to manage your time efficiently. Each aspect we've discussed plays a crucial role in keeping your schedule organized and stress-free. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and happy scheduling.